Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your daily energy, Sagittarius, we'll be picking few cards, guys. For your career situation and relationship, I'll be picking cards as we proceed, guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, career or personal life, you can think about it before we pick the cards for your career and personal life situation, guys. Sagittarius, so let's start with the daily reading. It's Fortune's Wheel, Page of Earth and Six of Earth. So with these cards, Sagittarius, in your situation today, guys, it may be something, it may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So with these cards, I see that you are on the path to success, guys. Sagittarius, you are beginning something that is going to proceed in a very successful way, and you are seeing your dreams coming into reality very soon, dreams manifesting or the beginning of your dreams. So you see that concrete path to success, maybe in your career or in this relationship. You have you see that future with this person, and your hard work is paying off today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are seeing the beginning of some new projects or maybe a career path, maybe a second career, something that you are really happy about, and destiny is unfolding in a very beautiful way for you, guys. So whatever you are doing, you feel that things are just coinciding, luck and your efforts are coinciding, and you are able to work towards your dreams, and your circumstance is helping you today, Sagittarius, and you have that ability to attract what you need. So maybe it may be something to do in your relationship with this person. You may have that attraction towards them, or they may have this attraction towards you, or they may be attracting you towards them. So something unexpected is also coming your way. So it may be a person, or it may be a gift, or it may be some circumstance in your career, something unexpected, and something you feel that you are very lucky today, Sagittarius. So you are just curious, you are just waiting to see how things will go in your career situation today. And maybe for some of you, you are getting unexpected resources. So maybe in your career you were expecting some resources to come, and you are getting from someone or somewhere something unexpected, and it really makes you happy how things are just coinciding in your career situation, or it may be in your personal life situation. You are expecting to go and meet someone, and before that they themselves may come towards you. Some surprises of that sort, guys. So that is what I see. So maybe you had doubt in your situation, you were worried that things may not go in a perfect way, but today you see that all that was making you worried, all that circumstance is just dissolving. The situation is getting resolved by itself, and you are happy for how things are perfectly aligning in your career or personal life. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius, for your daily reading, guys. So let us see what are the cards for your career situation and personal life. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your career situation, guys, you can think about it, and we will open the card now, guys. It's a change in the wind. So with this card in your situation today, maybe something unexpected is coming your way in your career, guys. A change has been initiated, and something you may feel that it is not certain, maybe certain outcome in your career choices. So our human mind goes for that certainty always. We want to know what will come towards us, and we resist change, and we don't want to remain in that dark about that future. So we want that guarantee in our future, and today we cannot be certain about that, but we can be certain that there is a huge transition in your career situation, guys. You may see your career taking a shifting direction. This is a good thing, guys, because you are seeing you will be getting better opportunities. So maybe you were pursuing something thinking that that will give you the highest good, but you may not be clear about that choice, but something else may come in place of that whatever you were certain about, and circumstances are not in your control, Sagittarius. So you have to wait it out. All will be well, and even things will be much better than you expected, guys. So you have to just have that trust today. If you have that trust in universe or in yourself, and have that faith that things will go in a very positive way, things will unfold in a very positive way, you will not be disappointed. So that is what this card is about, guys. So this change may be because of some better things are coming towards you, better than what you were expecting for yourself in your career situation. So let us pick one card for your relationship, Sagittarius. This is the card, guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and we will turn the card now. Treasure Island. So this card just means that with this person you have a beautiful positive connection. So laws of attraction are bringing your dreams and your aspirations into fruition, guys, and positive thinking you have is manifesting the abundance maybe in your career. And this card we have picked for your personal life, guys, and your relationship is a treasure, providing you more than you need right now. So no matter how long you have been together, you and your partner are always finding out good things, beautiful things about each other in this connection, and it is a time of discovery, time that everything just sinks so beautifully, and romance is blooming, love is in the air, and you can be assured that this relationship will bring you beautiful gifts and valuable lessons. Maybe you are moving towards marriage with this person, or starting a family with this person, and this card just means that we have to celebrate love and affection, guys. So that is what this card is about. And that is the reading for y'all today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this reading, if it resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.